Okay, emergency SOS. Let's take a look at how to do that. Just in case if you're lost or your phone's out of reach or you got locked. I read a really interesting article recently where a guy actually got locked up inside a car during a flood, I guess, and he called it for Siri and he got help. So that's how it works. You have to have it for just an emergency. You don't know when danger attacks you, right? So let's go to emergency SOS. Emergency, yeah, here it is. You'll find this 5 times or 3 times wake up call. So if you click your home screen button like 5 times or 3 times, the it SOS will be made, like a call will be made. So I have set it for 5 times because 3 times likely to be pressed accidentally. So I thought 5 is better. So and then next you will find this auto call. Auto call is it will dial the emergency service itself, and like you can always prefer to call which one. Like in some regions it will ask you if you need to call for ambulance or fire department. In some places it just goes for to dial something. So just turn it on. It's better that way. Next, set up emergency contacts in us. Before that, let's take a look at this countdown sound. Countdown sound is why after you press like 3 times, it will make a countdown like 5, 3, 2, 1. It's gonna make a emergency call. So that's for this. You can cancel it in the middle if you want. So that's how it works. Now let's go and set up emergency contacts like your family, your relatives, and everyone. Here you'll find your details. You can go to this edit and edit your name, your profile, your birth date, and medical conditions if you have anything, and notes just for the doctors. If you're in an accident, this will be helpful for the doctors to know your allergies and your blood group beforehand if you don't know. Like they can instead of taking several tests themselves, they can actually see these details and take a step forward. So set all these up and then add your blood group, whatever you want. Next, weight, height, add organ donor if you have anyone, and then primary language. And this here you will find this add emergency contact. Just click this and you'll be directed to contacts. You can select all the people you want to have on emergency list. Those people will get a location, your location detail, and every like emergency situation. They will get to know that you have called for emergency and your location, every details. And a message will be sent to them automatically. So that's why you send to those people who would like to know about you. And then last, keep this on, because only then without knowing a password, they will be able to access your medical IDs. It's like important. So done.